Hey guys, what's up? Just want to give you a video overview of kind of where we're at and what I want you working on. So yesterday I had you looking in Unit 3, Lesson 1, and I wanted you to watch this video. How does the thermostat work? And do the fill in the blank and look at these notes right here. Okay, so we're talking about systems thinking right now, which is really what that is looking at the system as a whole. So understanding all of its parts and its subsystems. Remember, a subsystem is a smaller system within the whole system. So this kind of reiterates something that you should already know between a closed loop system, which means there's input, process, output, feedback, and an open loop system, which stops at the O, or input, process, and output. Um, so as we're going through this, hopefully this is a review for you. If not, you need to make sure that you are reviewing this so that you do know it. If you remember, we talk about resources. We're talking about time, information, materials, people, energy, capital, tools, and machines. Um, and those are your 7 technology resources. In level 1, I told you about a story about Tim Peck, about Tim who had big muscles and he couldn't hardly fit through the door. And we said we use that as an acronym. Tim has big muscles. So Tim Peck is time, information, materials, people, energy, capital, tools, and machines. Today, what I want you guys to do is you're going to do the PowerPoint instructional um, extension here. You're going to create a presentation of a sequence of systems that you use every day and how they basically affect each other. So, for example, pick 2 systems that work together um, so that you can kind of show how they work off of each other. For example, the internet and a computer, or a say a heat pump and hot water. Um, you could do something like a computer and a mouse, and how those are each different systems, but how they work together. So a car, of course, you've got the engine. All right, you could also talk about the braking system and steering and all those components. You can just kind of talk about how they're 2 different systems, but they work together. All right, so you're going to pick 2 systems, whichever 2 you want to. Create a PowerPoint presentation, Google Slides, however you want to do it. Identify the subsystems of each within each system. So those smaller systems within the computer and within the mouse, for example. And then here's your rubric for it. Includes 2 or more systems. The subsystems are clearly defined and elaborated on, so you could do those in a presentation. Then also feedback explains in depth how the feedback of a system can change the sequence of multiple systems. And then add graphics, any pictures, any type of resources in there that you find along the way. All right, guys, hope this helps. I'll leave this for you to do for today. Today's Thursday. Today and tomorrow. Okay. Tomorrow I may put out a SchoolNet just review, but you'll have today and tomorrow to work on this and upload it in the classroom under the Unit 3 Lesson 1 section, and make sure you hit submit when you get it finished. All right. Thank you guys.